Sikhuluma nje kude-ke lophethe wona-ke emadolobha lamabili amakhulu lapha eveni laKangwane. Ngaphasi-ke kwenzebe M10 Premier League of Eswatini. Kulandzela ukuthi-ke umdlalo emkhathini welicembu leMonene Pirates nalokwelicembu leManzini Wanderers upheleke ngokulingana ngeligoli lodwa ngalapha nangalapha. Kanjalo naseMbabane umdlalo-ke emkhathini welicembu leMbabane Swallows nalokwelicembu leMbabane Highlanders upheleke ngokulingana. Kulona mdlalo-ke kude iligoli leshayiwe. Umqeqeshi weMbabane Highlanders uthi uyathokoza-ke ngendlela icembu lakhe lidlale ngalo.
No, the boys are improving game by game. I like what bathi kancane kancane, but nje the boys are improving a lot. From Lasbia corner going forward, you can see there is a lot of positives.
Umqeqeshi weMbabane Swallows uthi yakathokoza nani ukuthi athole iphuzu linye ngoba yena-ke bekaphokophele ukuthi-ke athole-ke amaphuzu-ke lamathathu kanti uthi balicembu leMbabane Swallows batayithatha-ke yona-ke lenzebe M10 Premier League of Eswatini.
Since it's a debut, you can't complain much, but the score, if you ask me, I'm disappointed because I need to get a 3 point, but it's fine. Since it's a debut, you can't predict, so it's okay. No. I'm still on track. I'm definitely going to win the league because that is my main focus. So we are on track. You can see the point we lost against Leopards has really affected us, but we are bouncing back. I think we're going to work on it and then bounce back early as possible.
Sibese-ke sithola kuxoxisana nabo-ke abalandzeli lebekathi-ke baganekise ngaphandle kwale nkundla.
Ngijabule neze. Ngijabulisi kakhulu bro. Expecte iwin nabantu. Ngiyajabula kakhulu kuba ngekho kwethu kuba affected abadlali egroundini. Ngoba besabashaya vele labantu.
Bengenge nami bengifuna nje ngalenye indlela Nkosi yami ayibonge yona le draw. Because ngimbe inkombi yebalandzeli besolve bathi sibawusidla bo 4 bo 5 6 akuyingaloko lapha ngiphethe Mr the Al Great Komogwe.
Sibalandzele mina namake sifuna kulandza kuvana. Kuba sibalandzele kuyi big 3. Funa ulandza lokuvana. Bebalandzele ukuthi sevane sibalandzele. Kubalandzeli be-big 3 kungesibo-ke balandzeli be-big 3 kuphela kubo bonke balandzeli bema-teams babe nako kuvana.
Leminye-ke imidlalo licembu leMlingo Hospitals lishaye lona-ke licembu leThambuthi ngegoli lodwa-ke eCanzeni. Young Buffaloes yanqoba yona-ke Green Mamba ngegoli lodwa-ke eCanzeni. Amanzini Seabirds yanqoba yona-ke iDenver Sundowns ngamagoli amabili-ke kulolodwa. Kanti kusasa-ke kutawudlala wona-ke umdlalo emkhathini welicembu leBlack Swallows nayo-ke iThabangula Canucks nemidlalo futhi-ke emkhathini welicembu lePeacemaker nalowo licembu leTinyosi. Edenzabente emsakado yeMaswati Channel ngingelo iKhalusi ngisemavuso.